We have gathered reviews from all over the internet to present a comprehensive overview of the 12-pack magnetic fidget toys for adults, designed to help with anxiety relief, focus, and sensory needs. This set of magnetic fidget toys is marketed as a versatile tool that engages both hands and brain, promoting calm and concentration through tactile interaction. The product is aimed at adults and teens aged 14 and up, particularly those with sensory needs such as ADHD or autism, but it also appeals to anyone looking for a discreet and portable stress relief gadget. The magnetic sticks come in a variety of shapes and combinations, allowing users to create patterns and structures that stimulate cognitive function and creativity. Users appreciate the quality and strength of the magnets, noting that they are stronger and more reliable than many generic alternatives. The magnets hold together well enough to allow for creative manipulation, although some reviewers mention that the magnetic strength limits the number of pieces that can be connected at once, typically up to 4. This limitation makes the set suitable for quiet environments, as the magnets are not overly strong, which also helps prevent noise that could disturb others. The smooth texture and compact size add to the appeal, making it easy to carry in a pocket or bag for everyday use. The design is durable and portable, crafted with materials that withstand regular handling. This makes the fidget toys ideal for use at work desks, in meetings, or while commuting. They provide a healthier alternative to common nervous habits like nail biting or skin picking by keeping the hands busy in a constructive way. Many users find that these magnetic fidgets help them stay focused and calm during stressful situations, making them valuable tools for managing anxiety and improving productivity. The product is also noted for its versatility. It fits seamlessly into daily routines, whether jotting down notes, reading emails, or engaging in conversations. The discreet nature of the toys means they can be used without drawing unwanted attention, which is important for adults who need to fidget without disrupting their environment. The set is recommended for both men and women, and it makes a thoughtful gift for friends, family, or colleagues who could benefit from stress relief or sensory engagement. On the downside, some users wish the magnets were heavier or made of metal for a more satisfying tactile experience. While the current plastic-based magnets are budget-friendly and effective, heavier metal versions might offer a different sensory feel that some users prefer. Additionally, safety warnings are emphasized, as the magnets should be kept away from children under 14 and pets due to swallowing hazards. Users report that the magnets can be accidentally dropped, so care must be taken to avoid ingestion risks. Overall, the 12-pack magnetic fidget toys offer a compelling mix of quality, usability, and affordability. They stand out as a practical choice for those seeking sensory tools to manage anxiety, improve focus, or simply enjoy a quiet, tactile pastime. The variety of shapes and the moderate magnetic strength make them suitable for public use, including sound-sensitive environments. This set is a solid entry-level option for anyone curious about magnetic fidget toys or looking for a budget-conscious alternative to more expensive brands. If you have experience with these magnetic fidget toys, please leave a review in the comments to help others make informed decisions. The product link is in the description, and using it supports our channel. This review is based on extensive user feedback and expert analysis to provide you with an accurate and detailed understanding of what to expect from this popular fidget toy set.